everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you how to Mace swap and spear swap. The bot here. If you guys want his map, I'll put it in the description. But I'll just show you how to spear mace or not spear lunge mace, but just a spear tactic and sword swap as well. So let's go. So first you want to get the Field of the Bold map in the description. Once you got that, go to your worlds, aka single player, click on edit on one of your worlds, and then you should see open worlds folder. Then extract the file of the Bold map, and once you do that, put the extracted version inside your world, and then it should show up. Alright, let's go. Alright, so see this guy right here. I have 108 pops, and I never popped because I have resistance on currently. But this guy right here, I'll be demonstrating. If you guys want to learn that, I'll show you. So first you want to click. Here, I'll put in slow motion. So watch my hotbar. Oh, my bad. You guys see that? So I click, and then I click. Actually, wait, no. I only click once, I think, yeah. And right as you click you gotta swap within the millisecond, because if you don't, you're not gonna do it right. Alright, next tactic is this. I don't really know how to do this as much, but this basically does double pop. Actually, this is actually pretty good for killing your enemies and or pranking your friends with this tactic. And yeah. So you see this little bird right here. Oh, here's what you want to do. So you're gonna wind charge up, right? And then you're gonna do this, kind of like mace swapping, but it's a little different. You gotta click right as you swap. It will not lunge, because I think my yeah, it does. If you guys want to learn that, well, it's pretty easy, ain't gonna lie. But yeah, it's low-key pretty easy. So alright, let's just get to the part, bro. So you wind charge up, and then you spear, then mace swap, and then mace swap. You gotta do it in the milliseconds. Reminder, please do not do this wrong, or do not complain, because it's not my fault. And if you guys really want to learn that, I'll make more videos about swapping spear, lunge swapping, and all that crap. So yeah, see everybody.